finally found the road to our Airbnb. Beautiful trees.
Oh, this is good.
Well, no, I think we found the road. It's sort of, it looks a bit deserted.
No, that road. She's got your full one now.
Look at the trees though. That's crazy. Uh-oh, fork in the road. Where are we going? Oh, 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 bumpy. I reckon it's, oh, Jesus. Wow, I'm trying to keep the camera straight. Sorry guys. I think it's down that road, hey. Daisy, I think we're here.
Oh, Daisy,
Yeah, you need a bottle. I think this is it. Ah, look, little shipping container. That's cool. They got our idea.
That's a toilet.
Well, ours isn't a toilet. Oh, they said go in the back gate. Must be this gate. I think we're here.
Yeah, I see the button.
I think we're here.
Just shutting the car, we're leaving. Bonnie, get your luggage, please. Oh, Mum's still got her headlights on, but that's fine. Dad's holding Daisy. Yoo-hoo, I see.
Made it. Long time.
Long time no see. No. Window, door, knock, knock, knock. Bye-bye. Opening the door now. Let's see if it's the right one.
So we just tried the back door. Keys aren't working, so now we're trying the front.
You said the White House or the Blue House?
She said the White House.
You sure?
Yes.
We're going to try the front door again. This is really confusing, Bonnie. I don't understand.
Okay, so Mum's just opened the door while everyone's at the other side trying to open it. So this will be interesting because no one knows Mum's opened it.
Someone's knocking. How'd you get in?
No, I just pushed on the door and it popped open. I saw that later.
Alright, let's go around the back.
Come on,
Mum
Dad.
figured it out.
Yeah, how did you figure it out? Well, it's Friday.
Well, there you go. We're in, Bonnie. That's cool.
Mum, there's a lizard that went behind that painting.
Oh, is there?
Here you go, Bon. Show everyone where you're sleeping. Go and figure it out. Go and figure it out.
Yeah. Oh, this is so cool. I'm thinking about.
Oh, double bed, single bed. This would be good for the kids. Awesome. Is this your room? That's cool. This is a nice house. You got your washing machine, bathroom. This is where we're going to live for 2 months. Portico in there, I didn't see that. Where?
Yeah, up on top of the wardrobe in there. How good.
Oh, there is a portico. That's awesome. Cool. You'd easily live here for 2 months. That's fantastic. And then you come out to this awesome view. That's insane. That's so cool. Getting the cot out.
Now's probably not a good time to be filming.
Why? I'm in trouble.
I am. I'm having a lot of trouble.
What's the problem? What's the problem? Doesn't the cot just come out of the bag?
No, it doesn't, unfortunately.
Are you trying really hard not to get upset?
I'm trying very hard not to get upset. I'm very tired, very frustrated, very stressed, very sweaty.
I'm pretty sure it just comes out of the bag real easy.
You're welcome to do it.
What's she doing wrong?
At this point, it has been such a long day, and he's pretty lucky I haven't thrown the cot at him yet.
A few moments later.
You get it out?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Got the cot out. Where are we putting it? In our room? Is it hot or something? Getting a bit flustered. This is what we get to wake up to. Bonnie, alright, we gotta go out the front. We got something for you two girls. Oh, matching shirts, look at that. Oh, you look so happy. Come on, go out the front. We got a gift for you.
Batteries.
Not batteries. Walkie-talkies. Yeah.
Do
Do you know what they're for?
to contact each other.
Do you know what they're for?
To contact each other when people are at their videoing.
So don't get lost in the bush. Alright, whack the batteries in them.
Lexi, can you help me?
You hold the on button.
You're struggling, are you?
In. Hello? There. Do it. I want to do it too.
Oh. That's a nice tree, huh? Okay.
Bonnie, what are you doing?
We can't hear you.
No, because you have to be close together. You can't be that far
No,
away.
because she's not pressing the button when she talks.
Press the button
Press
when
the
you
black-
talk.
Press the black button on the side when you talk.
I'll come and show you.
Yeah, we can hear you.
I'm going.
Yes, Bonnie. Over.
Yes, Mama, over. What up, my team? We're just gonna go for a walk while Mum feeds Daisy.
Coral.
Yeah, there's heaps of coral.
That's what the whole island's built out of. It's all coral rock everywhere.
Yeah, there was a coral in our ute.
It's a nice pool. Let's go have a look. It's pretty clean, hey?
Yeah.
before. Oh, dude, there's a crab down there. Look, look, look. Do you see it or not?
Yeah.
What else is in here? What's that? Oh, man, there's a bigger crab down there. I don't want to touch him. No, get away from me.
Oh my god, there is crabs everywhere. Would you like to get two humongous crabs out of the pool?
Are there crabs in there?
Yeah. Oh, I see. There's one big one and one tiny one. And look at this big crab. Oh my god, she's got it. She 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 got it. Where are we going to put him? In like his hand. Oh my god, it just moved. It's moving.
Put him on the side. Are you alive?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go.
He's not. Just Lexi, you're fine.
Well, that's silly, isn't it?
It's in water, Lexi. Oh my god, it's moving. Oh, Lexi, it's moving. It's moving. It's moving. It's moving. I'll go get Mum.
Pick him up one.
No. He's alive.
Yeah, pick it up.
No. No. Mummy, come near the big one. It'll snap your toes. The big one will snap your toes.
Daisy, look.
It's a crab. Yes, I'm scared. I'll push you in. It's creepy.
You're creepy.
Daisy, no, Daisy. Daisy, no. Daisy, no.
Man, this Airbnb is absolutely massive and I can't believe the price that we've got it for. This suits our needs perfectly. But anyways, that's enough talking and mucking around for today. We've got a lot of work ahead of us.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up.